Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide activity status on Instagram. For this, first of all, open up the Instagram application, then tap on the profile picture in the bottom right corner, and then simply tap on the three bars in the top right corner. And when you are here in settings and privacy, and then you have to scroll down until you see this option, how other can interact with you. And now just simply tap on this messages and story replies, and then what you need to do is you can see this option who can see that you are online. Then click on this show activity status and simply toggle this off. And now nobody can see your activity status. You can see this allow account you follow and anyone you message to see when you were last active or currently active on Instagram apps. When this is turned off, you won't be able to see the activity status of other accounts. Simply toggle this off and you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video are helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.